Checkpoint Research recently released an initial analysis of ChatGPT4, surfacing 5 scenarios that can allow threat actors to streamline malicious efforts and preparations faster and with more precision. In this demonstration, we show how we've managed to create an encryption mechanism using ChatGPT4.0, which might be used on a ransomware attack. First, we tried the straightforward request from ChatGPT, which was blocked by its restrictions. Next, in order to bypass these restrictions, we simply asked for a simpler, less suspicious code to encrypt a specific folder. We wanted to get more details on how to create a final payload, even if without having any prior programming knowledge. We wished to customize it a bit, first by asking for a custom file extension once it was encrypted. The result of the previous code is the first working encryptor, but it wasn't accurate enough. It didn't delete the files it encrypted, instead it created an encrypted copy without removing the original files. Next, I asked it to create a TXT file on the desktop folder, with a customer message. Next, added a download of a PNG file, which is the wallpaper we want to change to, and configure it as the desktop wallpaper. At this point, the encryptor worked only to a point where it didn't get any permissions issues with modifying certain files, so I asked it to overcome it, and it did by adding exception handling. Final result, we got a program that can encrypt a given path, could be C:/ if we want to encrypt everything, create a ransom note and place it on the desktop, plus changing the wallpaper to a downloaded PNG. Though it has some limitations, these be bypassed as well, to get it to fully run and encrypt everything we ask for. Despite the presence of limitation in ChatGPT4, some restrictions can be easily bypassed, enabling threat actors to achieve their objectives without much hindrance. Since December 2022, Checkpoint Research (CPR) has raised concerns about ChatGPT's implications for cybersecurity. We still expect AI-based platforms to be utilized by threat actors for their malicious targets. CPR will continue to monitor and test ChatGPT to understand and predict how cyber criminals could use it for further malicious activity. For additional details, visit our blog, research.checkpoint.com.